We will start chapter number 6 of class 9 physics, work and energy. Work. Work is said to be done when force acts on a body and moves it in the direction of the force. So, when a force acts on a body, then body covers some distance, and this is equals to work done. Consider a body of mass m. When we will apply a force on this body, so we have draw here x component of the force and y component of the force. X component of the force is equals to F cos theta. Y component of the force is equals to F sin theta. So, if after the applying of force, the body moves along the x-axis, then W is equals to Fxs, because the body is moving along the x-axis. Fx is equals to F cos theta. So, work done W is equals to Fs cos theta. Work is a scalar quantity which is described completely by its magnitude. The SI unit of work is joule. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton meter. So, when a force of 1 Newton acts on a body and body cover a distance of 1 meter, it is equals to 1 joule. There are the two units of joule, kilojoule and megajoule. Kilo 10 raised to power 3 joule is equals to 1000 joule. Megajoule 10 lakh joule is equals to 10 raised to power 6 joule. Energy. A body possesses energy if it is capable to do work. So, a body is performing any work due to the presence of energy inside it. If energy is not present in any body, so the body does not able to perform any work. There are the various different form of energy like mechanical energy, light energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, solar energy, etc. There are the two types of energy: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is present in a body due to the movement of a body. Potential energy is present in a body due to the position of the body. So, kinetic energy is the energy which is produced in the body due to the movement, due to the motion of the body. Wind energy. Wind energy is utilized to drive windmills. Wind energy is utilized to push sailing boats. The energy which is present in a moving water is utilized for the movement of wooden logs for a long distance, and the energy which is present in a moving water, this energy is also used to drive turbines. These turbines are used to generate electricity. Consider a body of mass m is moving with a velocity v. So, this body covers some distance. The body stops after some time when the kinetic energy which is present inside the body, that all kinetic energy will be utilized, and the body stops due to the opposite force of friction. So, kinetic energy of the body is equals to work done. This work is done due to the movement of the body, due to the motion of the body. That is why we will write here kinetic energy is equals to Fs. when the body starts to move, at that time its velocity is called initial velocity, which is equals to v. And when body stops after some time, so at that time its velocity is called final velocity, which is equals to 0. So force is equals to mass and acceleration is equals to minus F over m. According to third equation, 2as is equals to Vf square minus Vi square. After that, we will put the value of acceleration in the third equation of motion to the value of a minus F over m s. The value of final velocity is 0, initial velocity v, then minus 2fs over m is equals to minus v square. We will cancel minus on both sides of the equation, and after that we will multiply m with the v. So 2fs is equals to mv square. Fs is equals to half mv square. So the 2 which is multiplying here, when we will write in other side of the equation, so multiply will be changed into the division. Fs, this work is done due to the kinetic energy. So we will write here the final equation of the kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Potential energy. The energy which is present in a body due to the position of a body, that energy is called potential energy. For example, the water which is stored at height. So due to the height, the water has stored some energy inside it, and that energy is called potential energy. So the water which is stored at height, due to its position, the energy is stored inside in the water. So this energy is called potential energy. So when hammer is raised up to some height, so then also the potential energy is produced in the hammer due to the position of the hammer. And in a stretched bow, also potential energy is present. In a stretched bow, potential energy is present due to the stretched position of the bow. When we release this stretched bow, then the energy which is stored inside it, that energy will be released from the bow, and then this stored potential energy pushes the bow in the outward direction. So the energy which is present in a stretched bow, this energy is called elastic potential energy. And the energy which is produced in a body at height, this energy is called gravitational potential energy. So we will consider here a body of mass m is raised up to some height h. So if we have a body, we have raised the body at some height, so the body will acquire some potential energy inside it, and this potential energy will be equals to its work done. Potential energy is equals to F multiplied by H. So this potential energy is produced in a body when we have applied a force on a body, and then body has covered a distance in the form of height. So force of the body is equals to the weight of the body. Weight is equals to mass and gravitational acceleration. After that, we will put the value of F in the formula. Then we will write here potential energy is equals to mgh.